This particular song I wrote in Tacoma, Washington. The year was 1977, and I had the chance to perform for the first time at a federal penitentiary. And at that time, on an island right off of Tacoma, was a place called McNeil. And I was invited by the governor of Hawaii, along with the Sons of Hawaii, to perform there. And while in the federal penitentiary, I'll never forget, we had to go through these metal detectors, and they put these stamps on your hand, which you, on your way out, you put them under the black light. And if that stamp wasn't there, I remember the guard really, really well, and very clearly in my mind saying, don't wash your hands, because if that stamp is not there, we want to welcome you to your new home. And it was the first time in the history of the federal penitentiary that they had a luau. And I'll never forget. And it was the first program to invite outside musicians to come in. So we were walking on eggshells that day, because if anything went down, that would have been the end of the program. But like Hawaii and the Hawaiians that we are, the hospitality, it was very successful. And at that same time in my life, I was trying to decide whether or not I would go back to Hawaii, settle down, or continue on to where I really wanted to live, in Kenai, Alaska. And so in my mind, I was thinking of my fiance back home in Hawaii. And as we left the island, I was thinking of what I was going to do. That night at midnight, while writing in my room, I finished a song that I thought was somewhere deep in my mind and in my heart. And so I chose a subject. I chose a flower that blooms in the cold of the forest of Tacoma. And that flower is actually the love that is implanted in the heart. And like a flower, when you nurture it, it grows. And so that the love grew within my heart with the distance from Hawaii. And so I finished the song, and I called home and said, when I come home, let's get married. And the song tells the story of how my wife and I got married. Never knowing that when I came back and recorded it, it would be a classic. A classic song of love. Song about the honey flower. And as I wrote the melody, I could hear in the distance, in my mind, the sound of bagpipes in a faraway hill. O e ka waine a ke aloha, laila i ka uluwe, ua hone i ka lai. O e ka wahine a ke aloha Laila i ka urule Ua hone ka lagi Honi ana i ke ha no makiki Wau ko aloha i ka noe kua iwi Honi ana i ke hao no makiki Ubau ko aloha i ka noe i kua iwi He ke kula Bibili a me kai Ei e hone lono He ino i ke kula Bibili a me kai Ei e hone lono Aina mai ana kapuana Tutua hone i ka lagi he nani mauno Aina mai ana kapuana Tutua hone i ka lagi he nani mauno Aina mai ana kapuana Tutua hone i ka lagi he nani mauno